Your quilt story page is organized into several easy-to-set-up areas. To showcase your beautiful quilt, a photograph of your quilt is added at the top of the page. The next area contains the information printed on your label. The center area allows you to write your heartfelt, personal message to the recipient of your quilt, or perhaps your story detailing the making of the quilt itself. Underneath your personal message, you can insert a photo of the quilt maker and up to 5 photographs of your choice to further enhance your story. At the bottom of the page, you can download a 5-minute audio of the story you have written, or maybe relate another story or event you would like to share.
I don't need a special occasion to make a quilt for my extraordinary grandmother. How you have lived your life for others, including myself.
There are 2 ways to add the above information to your quilt story page. You can easily do it yourself, or you can email us the information and we will enter it into your quilt story page. And to maintain privacy, your quilt story is private and only available by scanning the label's QR code.